Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing that while you were asleep, your bank account quietly grew. No extra shifts, no overtime, no boss breathing down your neck. Just money flowing in silently while you lived your life. That's the dream, right? But here's the thing, most people never achieve it because they think passive income is either a scam, too complicated, or only for the rich. Today, I'm going to break down how you can build real, sustainable passive income streams in 2026 and why this year is the perfect time to start. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly which opportunities fit you best and how you can start building wealth while you sleep. So stick with me because one idea alone could change your financial life forever. First, let's be clear about what passive income actually means. It's not money for nothing. It's money that continues to come in long after the initial effort has been put in. Think of it like planting seeds. At first, there's work, digging, planting, watering, but once the tree grows, it produces fruit season after season with far less effort. In 2026, technology, globalization, and new financial tools are making it easier than ever for everyday people to plant those seeds. One of the strongest passive income opportunities today comes from digital assets. Unlike physical businesses that require space, rent, or employees, digital assets can be built once and monetized for years. Take online courses, for example. If you have a skill, whether it's cooking, photography, coding, or personal finance, you can record a high-quality course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. In 2026, AI tools can even help you create scripts, edit videos, and design visuals, drastically reducing the time it takes to produce professional content. The beauty is that once your course is uploaded, it can generate sales over and over again while you focus on other things. Next, we have self-publishing and digital books. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow anyone to become an author, and thanks to AI, you don't have to struggle with writer's block or complex formatting anymore. You can write books on niche topics, guides, or even creative stories, and every copy sold is money in your pocket. Some authors quietly make thousands each month from books they published years ago. That's the essence of passive income. Work once, earn forever. But maybe you're more business-minded. Another powerful income stream in 2026 is creating and monetizing niche websites or blogs. Think of it as building your own piece of digital real estate. At first, you put in the work, writing articles, optimizing for search engines, and driving traffic. But as the site grows, advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products turn your site into a money-making machine. And here's the exciting part. AI can now help generate consistent, high-quality content faster than ever before, which lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Now let's talk about investments, because money that works for you is the most classic form of passive income. Dividend-paying stocks, index funds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs, remain as powerful as ever. Imagine owning shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits every quarter. That's passive income. And with REITs, you can earn from real estate properties without ever managing tenants or fixing leaky pipes. 2026 has also brought innovative platforms where fractional ownership of assets like real estate, fine art, or even music royalties is available to everyday investors. This means you don't need to be a millionaire to own a slice of income-generating property. Speaking of real estate, let's dive deeper. While traditional rental properties can be management-heavy, technology is shifting that landscape. Property management apps, digital lock systems, and short-term rental platforms like Airbnb make it easier to run properties with less hands-on effort. And if you don't want the hassle at all, turnkey real estate companies now offer fully managed properties where you simply invest and they take care of the rest. Real estate continues to be one of the most reliable passive income streams, and with housing demand growing worldwide, 2026 is a strong year to enter. Of course, we can't ignore the rise of digital products and creative monetization. Think templates, music tracks, stock photos, or even apps. For example, if you're a designer, you can create digital templates for websites, resumes, or social media posts and sell them repeatedly on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. If you're a musician, uploading stock music to licensing platforms can earn you royalties every time your track is used. The internet allows these creations to live forever, earning money long after you finish the work. And then there's YouTube and content creation. While many people think YouTube is only for influencers, it's actually one of the best passive income vehicles out there. Videos you upload today can continue generating ad revenue for years. And here's the trick: evergreen content, tutorials, reviews, or educational videos stay relevant long after trends fade. Combine that with affiliate links in your video descriptions, and you've built a system that keeps earning you money every single day. But I want to stress this: passive income requires upfront commitment. The reason most people never succeed is that they give up too early, expecting instant results. Think about the wealthy individuals you admire. Almost all of them have some form of passive income. They built assets, whether it's businesses, real estate, intellectual property, or investments that continue to grow. In 2026, you have the tools, the technology, and the platforms to do the same. So, if you're serious about changing your financial future, ask yourself, which of these income streams excites you most? Do you want to create digital assets? Do you want to invest in real estate? Do you want to tap into the stock market or create content? Whatever you choose, commit to building it properly. Because here's the truth: a year from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful you did. The choice is yours. Passive income isn't just for the rich anymore. It's for anyone willing to put in the upfront effort to break free from trading time for money. So don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one idea, start small, and grow. In 2026, the opportunities are bigger than ever, and your future self will thank you for taking action today.